Hello and welcome to the studio. Today I'd like to share a tip to help all of you home mechanics wrench longer and harder through the coming off-season months. As we all know, one of the major causes of fatigue for DIY mechanics comes from the very hand tools that we use to do our work. These metal tool handles and long thin wrench bodies put a lot of localized pressure onto your palm and fingers, and that can lead to sore hands after just a few hours of work. Sure, you can wear padded gloves, but many of us don't like thick mechanics gloves due to the fact that you lose manual dexterity when you work with small nuts and bolts. Well, there is an easy fix for this, and it involves using this. This is a bicycle inner tube, and we're going to be using some of this to make a new grip for these tools. I'll just take out my knife and cut a section long enough to cover the ratchet handle like this. Now, bike inner tubes are pretty tough, so use a sharp knife and slice away from your body. A serrated knife can make this step much easier. Then I'll roll up the tip here just to make it easier to get on, and pull it on, kind of like this. There we go. It's a durable, chemical-resistant, non-slip grip that will cushion some of the forces going into your fingers and go a long way towards reducing fatigue on your hands. There's a similar trick that works for all these long combination wrenches and breaker bars, which rarely come with any sort of padding along their long thin bodies. In this case, I use one of these larger diameter 26-inch mountain bike tubes. Now this won't provide the same tight fit that you would get from a stretched road bike tube, but it will add just enough padding to keep the wrench from digging into your fingers. These larger diameter bike tubes also happen to be the perfect fit for my torque wrench. There we go. I'll just need to trim the ends a little here and here. Now if you don't ride a bike, or if you don't have any old inner tubes laying around, no problem. Many bike repair shops have tons of old inner tubes just sitting in their trash pile. Just ask nicely, and many of them will be happy to give you a few for you to use. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like these. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you at the track. Should I go back and edit out all these double entendres? Nah, no one will notice.